Hi everyone, today I ask you, what are you doing with your 24 hours? Are you using them to learn, grow, and chase your dreams? Or are you letting them slip away in distractions and excuses? You don't know how to make productive your 24 hours of a day? Today, we will talk about it. My name is Muniba Mozari and I am a motivational speaker. If you find this video fruitful, then you can appreciate me by like and subscribe and start a new journey with me. Let's start the topic. Time is the most valuable thing we have, yet so many people don't realize its worth until it's too late. Imagine waking up every morning with a bank account that gets filled with 86,400 rupees. You can spend them however you like, but at the end of the day, whatever is left unused disappears. You can't save it for tomorrow, it's just gone forever. Now, think of those rupees as seconds, because that's exactly what time is. Every single day you are given 86,400 seconds, and it's up to you how you use them. Some people spend them wisely, building their future, improving themselves, and making a difference, while others waste them on meaningless distractions and regret later. Think about the most successful people in the world. Do they have more hours in a day than you? No, they have the same 24 hours that you do, but the difference is in how they use them. They don't complain about not having enough time. They make time for what truly matters. They don't let the day pass them by. They take control of it. They don't just live for the weekend. They make every single day count. But most people don't live like that. They waste hours scrolling through social media, binge watching TV shows, gossiping about others, or sleeping unnecessarily. Then they wonder why they're not successful, why they're stuck in the same place, why their dreams seem so far away. The truth is, success isn't about luck. It's about how you use your time. If you don't respect time, time won't respect you. Have you ever heard people say, "I'll do it later," or "I don't have time"? These are just excuses. Everyone has time. The real question is how they prioritize it. If something is important to you, you will find time for it. If it's not, you will find excuses. The difference between people who achieve their goals and those who don't is not intelligence or talent. It's discipline. The discipline to wake up early, the discipline to stay focused, the discipline to keep going even when it's hard. A common man wakes up, rushes to work, comes back tired, and then wastes the rest of the day doing nothing productive. He thinks that because he worked for a few hours, he deserves to relax. But if you look at the lives of truly successful people, they don't stop after their job. They use their free time to learn new skills, work on their passion, or build something meaningful. They don't complain about being tired. They push through because they know that every second counts. It's not about being busy. It's about being productive. Some people keep themselves busy all day but achieve nothing. Others spend a few focused hours and accomplish more than most people do in a week. The secret is in planning. If you don't plan your time, life will plan it for you. You will spend hours doing things that don't matter while ignoring the things that do. So ask yourself, are you truly using your 24 hours wisely? Are you investing time in your growth, your dreams, and your happiness? Or are you letting time slip away only to regret it later? You don't have to wait for a new year, a new month, or even a new week to change your life. You can start right now at this very moment. The clock is ticking and your time is running out. Don't waste it. Most people wake up in the morning without a plan, without a purpose, and without any clear idea of what they want to achieve that day. They let life happen to them instead of taking control of their own time. Then, at the end of the day, they wonder where all their time went. They complain about not having enough hours in a day, but the truth is, it's not about how many hours you have, it's about how you use them. Imagine two people waking up at the same time in the morning. One of them has a plan. He knows exactly what needs to be done, what his priorities are, and how he will spend his time. The other person wakes up with no plan, no direction, and simply goes through the day as it comes. Who do you think will achieve more by the end of the day? Of course, the person who had a plan. That is the power of scheduling your time wisely. Many people think they are busy, but being busy does not mean being productive. A person can spend the entire day jumping from one task to another without actually accomplishing anything meaningful. They feel exhausted, yet they have nothing to show for it. On the other hand, someone who plans their time properly can achieve a lot in just a few hours. The difference is simple. One is reacting to life, while the other is controlling it. Think about how you spend your day. How much of your time is actually spent on things that move you closer to your goals? How much of it is wasted on things that don't matter? Then, many people spend hours on social media, checking notifications or watching TV. They think these activities help them relax, but in reality, they are just distractions stealing their time. Instead of spending their energy on something meaningful, they waste it on temporary pleasures that add no value to their life. Successful people understand the importance of time. They don't just let the day slip away. They break their time into slots and give each task a place in their schedule. If they need to work, they focus fully on work. If they need to exercise, they dedicate time for it. If they want to spend time with family, they make sure to do it without distractions. They are intentional about how they spend every hour because they know that time once gone never comes back. It's easy to say, I'll do it later, but later turns into days, weeks, and months, and before you know it, opportunities are lost. If something is important to you, schedule it. Write it down. Make time for it. Whether it's working on your dream, improving your health, learning something new, or spending time with loved ones. Don't leave it to chance. If you don't control your time, someone else will. Another big mistake people make is multitasking. They try to do everything at once, thinking it will help them get more done. But in reality, multitasking slows them down. Instead of doing one thing properly, they do multiple things poorly. It's always better to focus on one task at a time, give it your full attention, and then move on to the next. You don't need more hours in a day. You just need to use the hours you have wisely. Start each day with a plan. Prioritize what truly matters. Cut out distractions. Focus on one thing at a time. Be intentional about how you spend every minute. The difference between people who achieve their dreams and those who don't is not time. It's how they use it. The choice is yours. Most people go through life without realizing how much time they waste on things that add no value to their future. They wake up every day, do the same routine, and go to bed without any real sense of achievement. Then they wonder why they are not successful, why they feel stuck, or why their dreams seem so far away. The truth is, success is not about luck. It is not about waiting for the right opportunity. It is about how you use your time every single day. And one of the biggest mistakes people make is wasting time on things that don't matter. Think about this. How many hours do you spend scrolling through social media, watching meaningless videos, or engaging in gossip? How many times do you start a task but then get distracted by a notification or an unnecessary conversation? These small distractions may seem harmless, but when you add them up, they take away hours from your day. Hours that you could have used to learn a new skill, work on your goals, or build something meaningful. Time is like money. If you don't track where it goes, you will always feel like you don't have enough of it. Many people say, I don't have time, but the truth is, they do. They just don't use it wisely. If you really want to achieve something, you have to eliminate time-wasting activities from your life. Start by identifying the things that steal your time without giving you anything in return. Is it excessive social media usage? Is it watching television for hours? Is it saying yes to things that do not align with your goals? Once you become aware of these time wasters, you can start making changes. One of the most common ways people waste time is by worrying about things they cannot control. They spend hours overthinking situations, doubting themselves, or fearing failure, but worrying does not change anything. It only drains your energy and steals your focus from the things that actually matter. Instead of wasting time on negative thoughts, use that time to take action. If something is bothering you, find a solution. If you fear failure, start anyway. The more time you spend worrying, the less time you have to actually improve your situation. Another major way people waste time is by surrounding themselves with the wrong people. If you spend your time with negative, unmotivated, or toxic individuals, you will absorb their energy. You will waste hours in conversations that do not inspire you. You will spend time trying to please people who do not add any value to your life. Time is precious. Spend it with people who push you forward, not those who hold you back. Choose your company wisely, because the people around you influence how you think, act, and use your time. Procrastination is another silent thief of time. Many people delay taking action because they are waiting for the perfect time. But let me tell you something. There is no perfect time. There will always be challenges, obstacles, and reasons to wait. But waiting does not bring success. Action does. Every time you say, "I'll do it later," you are wasting an opportunity to move forward. The most successful people don't wait for motivation. They start, even when they don't feel like it. They take the first step and then the next until it becomes a habit. If you want to achieve your dreams, you need to be intentional with your time. Cut out distractions. Stop engaging in activities that don't help you grow. Limit time spent on things that don't bring you closer to your goals. Focus on what truly matters. Because at the end of the day, success is not about having more time. It's about making the most of the time you have. The choice is yours. Many people start their day without any clear direction. They wake up, go to their routine, and let the day take control of them instead of them taking control of their day. They don't have a plan, they don't set priorities, and they don't think about how their daily actions contribute to their long-term goals. This is one of the biggest reasons why people struggle to achieve success. They are busy, but they are not productive. They do 100 different things, but at the end of the day, they feel like they haven't really accomplished anything. If you want to be successful, you must learn to prioritize. Not everything in your day deserves your time and attention. Some tasks are important, some are urgent, and some are just distractions. Many people spend their time dealing with urgent but unimportant things. They reply to every message instantly, attend every meeting, and say yes to every request, even if it does not help them grow. They do this because they don't want to upset anyone, but in the process, they forget about their own priorities. The most successful people know that not everything deserves their energy. They focus on what truly matters. They ask themselves, is this task bringing me closer to my goal? If the answer is no, they don't waste time on it. This is how they manage to achieve more in less time. They don't let distractions control their schedule. They don't let other people's demands take over their day. They choose where to invest their time wisely. One of the best ways to prioritize is to start each day with a clear plan. Before you begin your work, take a few minutes to decide what your top priorities are. Write down 3 important things you must accomplish. These should be tasks that contribute to your personal growth, career, or overall well-being. When you start your day with intention, you are less likely to waste time on unimportant things. Another way to prioritize is to learn to say no. Many people struggle with this. They feel guilty when they refuse to help others, even if it costs them their own progress. But saying yes to everything means saying no to your own dreams. You cannot do everything, and you shouldn't try to. Focus on what matters most to you. If something does not align with your goals, politely decline it. Many people think being busy is the same as being productive, but it's not. You can spend an entire day rushing from one task to another and still feel like you have achieved nothing. Being productive means doing the right things, not just doing things. Instead of working harder, work smarter. Look at your daily habits and see where you are wasting time. Are you spending hours on things that don't help you grow? Are you saying yes to unnecessary commitments? Are you letting distractions steal your focus? The more aware you are of where your time goes, the easier it will be to prioritize what truly matters. Another mistake people make is trying to multitask. They think doing many things at once will help them achieve more, but in reality, it slows them down. When you switch between tasks, you lose focus and make more mistakes. Instead of multitasking, focus on one important task at a time. Give it your full attention. Do it well. Then move on to the next. This way, you will get more done in less time and with better results. Your time is your most valuable resource. If you don't protect it, others will waste it for you. If you don't set priorities, you will spend your life working on other people's dreams instead of your own. Success does not come from being busy, it comes from being focused. Make every hour count. Choose your tasks wisely. Work on what truly matters. Because at the end of the day, how you use your time determines where you will be in life. Most people live their lives reacting to situations instead of creating them. They let circumstances dictate their actions, and in the process, they lose control over their own time. They start the day with no clear plan, and by the time the day ends, they wonder where all the time went. They feel exhausted but have nothing meaningful to show for it. This is what happens when you do not take charge of your 24 hours. The truth is, if you don't manage your time, time will manage you. And when time manages you, you will always feel like you are running behind. You will always be busy but never productive. You will always have tasks to do, but you will never feel a sense of accomplishment. This is why it is important to structure your day. A well-structured day leads to a well-structured life. It is the small, daily habits that shape your future. One of the most important things you can do is set a routine. A routine gives your day direction. It removes unnecessary decision-making and allows you to focus on what truly matters. Without a routine, you waste energy deciding what to do next. And the more energy you waste on small decisions, the less energy you have for big ones. That is why successful people follow a schedule. They know what they will do first thing in the morning, how they will spend their work hours, and when they will take breaks. They do not leave their day to chance. But a routine is not just about work, it is also about balance. Many people think working non-stop is the key to success, but that is not true. If you overwork yourself without taking care of your health, relationships, and personal well-being, you will burn out. A productive day includes time for rest, it includes time for family, it includes time to take care of yourself. When you create a routine, make sure it has a balance between work, growth, and relaxation. One powerful way to structure your day is to divide it into time blocks. Instead of working randomly, assign specific hours to specific tasks. Have a block for focused work, a block for meetings, a block for learning, and a block for relaxation. When you work in blocks, you give each task your full attention. You are not trying to do everything at once. You are not jumping from one thing to another without finishing anything. This method increases efficiency and reduces stress. Another important part of structuring your day is setting deadlines. When you do not set deadlines, tasks take longer than they should. You keep delaying things because there is no urgency. But when you give yourself a clear deadline, you push yourself to complete the task efficiently. Deadlines create focus. They create urgency. They force you to stop procrastinating and start taking action. One of the biggest benefits of structuring your day is that it gives you control over your life. Instead of being pulled in different directions, you decide where your energy goes. Instead of reacting to situations, you create them. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by the number of things to do, you feel in control because everything has a place in your schedule. At the end of the day, success is not about how many hours you work, it is about how well you use them. The most successful people are not the ones who work the hardest. They are the ones who work the smartest. They use their time wisely. They structure their days with purpose. They do not waste time on things that do not matter. If you want to make the most of your life, start by making the most of your day. Take control of your 24 hours and you will take control of your future. Many people believe that being busy means being productive. They rush through their days, constantly working, constantly moving. Yet at the end of the day, they feel exhausted but unfulfilled. The truth is, being busy and being productive are two very different things. You can work all day and still get nowhere if you are not focusing on the right things. If you truly want to use your 24 hours wisely, you must eliminate distractions and focus only on what truly matters. One of the biggest reasons people waste time is because they do not set priorities. They try to do everything, and in the process, they accomplish nothing. They jump from one task to another, constantly switching their focus. This is a huge mistake. Your time and energy are limited, and if you do not use them wisely, you will always feel overwhelmed. Instead of trying to do everything, focus on the tasks that bring the most value to your life. Learn to say no to things that do not align with your goals. Distractions are another reason why so many people struggle to be productive. In today's world, distractions are everywhere. Social media, notifications, unnecessary meetings, endless scrolling. All of these steal your time without you even realizing it. A 5-minute break on your phone can easily turn into an hour. If you want to take control of your time, you need to take control of your distractions. Set specific times for checking your phone. Turn off notifications when working. Create a workspace where you can focus without interruptions. Another major mistake people make is multitasking. Many believe that doing multiple things at once makes them more productive. But science proves the opposite. Multitasking reduces efficiency. Your brain can only focus on one thing at a time. When you try to do multiple things at once, you're not really doing them at the same time. You're just switching back and forth quickly. This reduces the quality of your work and increases stress. The best way to work efficiently is to give your full attention to one task at a time. Time-wasting habits also play a huge role in destroying productivity. Procrastination, overthinking, and unnecessary perfectionism can waste hours of your day. Many people delay tasks because they wait for the perfect moment. But the perfect moment does not exist. If you keep waiting, you will never start. Action is the key to progress. Instead of waiting for motivation, start working. Once you begin, momentum will keep you going. Another important thing to remember is that productivity is not just about work. It is also about your mindset. If you do not have the right mindset, no amount of time management will help you. If you constantly doubt yourself, if you lack confidence, if you fill your mind with negativity, you will never achieve your full potential. Your thoughts shape your actions, and your actions shape your future. Train your mind to focus on solutions instead of problems. Believe in yourself. Stay positive even when things get tough. Lastly, if you truly want to use your 24 hours wisely, take care of yourself. No matter how hard you work, if you do not take care of your health, your productivity will suffer. Many people ignore sleep, skip meals, and push their bodies beyond their limits in the name of success. But success should not come at the cost of your well-being. A well-rested mind works faster and better. A healthy body gives you the energy to keep going. Take breaks when needed. Eat well, exercise, meditate. A strong body and a clear mind will help you achieve more in less time. At the end of the day, time is the most valuable resource you have. Unlike money, you cannot earn more of it. Once it is gone forever. How you use your 24 hours determines the quality of your life. Do not waste time on things that do not matter. Remove distractions. Stop multitasking. Focus on high-value tasks. Take care of your health. Train your mind for success. If you can master your time, you can master your life.